I'll go first.
Alright.
Truth or dare? Is it true you like school?
No. Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to fast.
With what?
The bus
Okay.
Oh, it sucks. It's not funny, it sucks.
You're stuck, it's funny.
No,
Why? What are you
it
doing?
sucks.
What's
I-
it doing?
It was a bear.
It really is stuck.
Yeah, you get some hot water.
It's stuck.
It's stuck and it hurts.
I want to go to the mall.
No.
Why he lived there.
You
Levi,
bad
why
me.
did you do that? Why would
You
you
bad
do
me.
that? He's a boy.
Hey, go get a pizza.
Can you understand? I don't know what you're
Go get a pizza.
Go eat
A
a tissue?
pizza. It hurts.
I want to go to the mall. Let's go to the mall. Come on.
I can't.
Let's go to the
I
mall.
can't. No, don't touch me. Don't.
We're gonna
No.
take him to the
No,
mall.
it
Okay.
hurts.
Oh, Levi, I want to go to the mall.